In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force URLs in Slack to open in your default Android mobile web browser. By default, when you tap a link inside the Slack app on Android, it usually opens in Slack's built-in browser instead of your regular browser. That can be fine for quick viewing, but it often feels limited compared to using your default browser. For example, your saved passwords, bookmarks, open tabs, and login sessions may not carry over the way you expect. If you want a smoother and more consistent browsing experience, this setting is worth changing. To get started, open the Slack app on your Android phone. Once you're on your main workspace screen, look to the bottom right-hand corner and tap your profile picture, sometimes shown as the U section. This opens your personal account area where you can access Slack's app settings. From there, tap Preferences to open your personal configuration options. After you're inside Preferences, scroll down through the available settings. You'll likely pass sections related to notifications and appearance. So just keep going until you find the Advanced option. Tap Advanced to open the deeper app behavior settings. Now that you're in the Advanced section, look for the setting called Open Web Pages in App. This is the option that controls whether Slack uses its internal browser when you tap links. To disable that behavior, tap the toggle next to it so it turns off. Once it's off, the switch should appear grayed out, which confirms the setting has been disabled. At this point, the change is usually immediate, so there's no need to restart the app. To verify that everything is working, go back to any channel or direct message that contains a website link. Tap on an external URL, and instead of opening inside Slack, it should now launch directly in your default Android browser. That means your links will open in the browser you normally use, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or another app you've set as your default. This can make browsing feel faster, more secure, and more connected to the rest of your mobile experience, especially if you rely on password managers or want all your tabs and history in one place. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off Slack's in-app browser and forced links to open in your default Android web browser. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.